What is up, Transformers, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to get into what I would call a basic Acid Betty look. This time it's going to be silver and black inspired, and I'm going to show you how I put down my hair, or how I attach my hair. What I first do is just take a little bit on either side out. So I'm going to use that to blend in with my wig so no one can see a hairline. See that? Isn't that pretty? And then I do what's called pin curls. So I take like a square of hair, bloop, and then I twist it, and then I keep on twisting and I keep on twisting, and then I twist it until it creates like a little snake, and then I pin that snake down by cross pinning it with 2 cross pins, 3 cross pins, 4 or 5, however many pins you need, bobby pins, to pin that snake down. And then that's the base, and we do that all the way down. Then I take a little hairspray. Whew. Now that the inside is dry, I take my side hair and I kind of brush it up out of the way. I will get back to that later. Boom! My hair is now ready. I'm now going to block my eyebrows down and start my face. Boom, 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 boom. Dermablend. If you want to hide the man, get Dermablend, okay? Get Dermablend. So what I'm going to do is take a little Q-tip, bing, and take some Prozaid, and apply some dabs here, and under my eye here. Oof. And I'm going to stick some biodegradable stars. Take some of the Unicorn Skin biodegradable stars, and I'm actually going to take another Q-tip, lick it, or get it wet, which makes the stars stick to the Q-tip, and then do that and it'll stick to the face that easily. Or you can take your finger and do this. Bing bing. Now what I'm going to do is take some Prozaid, put it all over my lips. Then I'm going to take a Q-tip and wet it. And I took some of this dry unicorn skin glitter, put it in a jar, and I'm going to apply it to my lips. Glitter lips. And of course, I'm going to take a little bit of unicorn skin, chunky glitter. Just add a little bit on my cheekbones, just to give a little more highlight. There we go. Because I'm that girl. Look at that. What I'm going to do is actually put a little bit more of this on. This is unicorn skin, and before the unicorn skin dries, I'll take some of the biodegradable stars and I'll stick it to the skin to go with my color story, my silver stars. Color story. Boom, boom. That's it. And then to add more shine, I take my fixing spray and I spray where I want to stick glitter. And I take the dry glitter spray, which has no liquids in it, nothing. It just uses air to pump out the glitter. I'm going to spray it all over like this. Shake. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. I think I want more. Fabulous. That's it. Covered in glitter. Oh. And then, of course, my lashes. And I have these fabulous silver ombre wispy willow lashes from unicornskincosmetics.com. Look at that. Look at that. And this just takes regular lash glue to apply. I'm going to do that right now. Now with these big lashes, I put them further back. I don't put them on my lash line, I put them kind of on my eyelid. So it can take the weight of these lashes. It's my lazy eye and I can't have a lazy lash on that. Alright, and now it's about attaching my hair. So I gotta open up this craziness. Now I use really large geisha pins, they're like this big, to attach my hair. I go into the wig, and then into my own hair. Just like I cross-pinned those little snakes at the beginning, I'm cross-pinning these big geisha pins. So they kind of lock each other. By cross-pinning, I mean you take one pin, and you put it in, you take another pin, and you cross it over like that. Thank you so much for watching my video. Click subscribe if you haven't, and go to acidbetty.com and maybe like buy one of my stickers. It's only $1, or a print, or a shirt, anything. Support me, come on. I need the help.